In a world where images speak louder than words, creativity knows no bounds. We live in an era where the digital canvas is our playground, and with the emergence of artificial intelligence, that playground has expanded beyond our wildest dreams. Picture this: the ability to breathe life into your images, infuse them with an artistic flair you never thought possible, and set your creativity on fire. How? With the help of 10 AI-powered companions who will not only be your artistic muse, but also your trusted allies in the pursuit of visual excellence. But before we dive into this exhilarating adventure, let me assure you that we got all the treasures of innovation neatly stashed away in the description below. Yes, you heard it right. Every single link to these mind-blowing AI tools is there, ready for you to explore and transform your images into something truly extraordinary. So fasten your seatbelt, because we're about to introduce you to each of these AI marvels one by one. Each tool bears a name, and each name holds the promise of a unique and thrilling adventure in the world of image enhancement. 1. Photo.ai, your gateway to visual alchemy. Welcome to the magical realm of Photo.ai, where the ordinary is transformed into the extraordinary with just a click of a button. Say goodbye to dull and lifeless photos, because Photo.ai is here to turn your visual dreams into vibrant reality. Imagine this. You have a photo, perhaps a cherished memory, but it lacks that wow factor. That's where Photo.ai steps in, armed with the power to take your images to the next level. With Photo.ai, you're not just editing, you're unleashing your inner artist. This isn't your run-of-the-mill photo editor. It's a creative powerhouse. Whether you want to enhance colors, add breathtaking effects, or simply make your photos pop, Photo.ai has your back. It's like having a professional photo studio right at your fingertips. 2. Lightrix, illuminating your visual imagination. Lightrix isn't just an AI tool. It's a creative supernova that's about to explode with possibilities. Imagine a world where you have the power to mold and shape your images into masterpieces that leave people in awe. That world is real, and Lightrix is your gateway. From the moment you lay your eyes on Lightrix, you'll know you're in for something extraordinary. It's like having a team of skilled artists and photographers right by your side, ready to turn your ideas into visual gold. With a user-friendly interface that packs a punch, you'll be amazed at how effortlessly you can bring your imagination to life. But wait, it gets even better. Lightrix isn't just about enhancing your images. It's about turning them into stories, emotions, and experiences. It's about making your visuals stand out in a world saturated with ordinary. Whether you're an aspiring influencer, a professional photographer, or simply someone who craves a splash of creativity in their life, Lightrix is your secret weapon. 3. Dreamlike, where imagination takes flight. Dreamlike isn't your typical AI tool. It's a portal to a surreal dimension where the boundaries of creativity are limitless. Have you ever wondered what it's like to turn your photos into ethereal works of art, straight out of a dream? Dreamlike is the answer. Imagine transforming everyday scenes into mesmerizing vistas, where the ordinary becomes the extraordinary. Dreamlike has the power to take your visuals and infuse them with a touch of magic, a dash of whimsy, and a pinch of the surreal. Whether you're an aspiring artist or simply someone with a flair for the extraordinary, Dreamlike is your artistic companion. 4. Use Concept, your passport to creative ingenuity. Picture this: you have a concept in your mind, a spark of creativity waiting to ignite. But how do you bring it to life? That's where Use Concept takes the spotlight. Use Concept isn't just an AI tool, it's a visionary's playground, a canvas where your ideas come alive in the most astonishing ways. Imagine a place where you can turn your wildest concepts into visual reality with ease. A place where innovation and artistry dance in perfect harmony. That place is real, and it's called Use Concept. But here's the kicker: Use Concept doesn't just create visuals, it nurtures your imagination. It encourages you to think outside the box, push the boundaries of conventional design, and embark on journeys of artistic discovery. Whether you're a seasoned creator or someone with a passion for innovation, Use Concept is your trusted ally. 5. Instant art, where ordinary becomes extraordinary in an instant. Imagine this: you have a photo, a snapshot of a moment that's meaningful to you, but it lacks that wow factor. That's where instant art swoops in like a creative superhero. It's not just about editing, it's about elevating your visuals to a whole new level. Instant art is not your run-of-the-mill photo editor. It's a game changer, a visual dynamo that can infuse life, color, and vibrancy into your images with a single click. Whether you're a professional photographer or someone who just wants their social media posts to stand out, instant art is your secret weapon. But what sets instant art apart is its instant gratification. You don't have to be a Photoshop wizard to create stunning visuals. Instant art makes it effortless, so you can focus on what truly matters, your creativity. It's like having a personal art studio in your pocket. 6. Kive. Crafting visual stories that speak volumes. Imagine this. You have a series of images, and you want to do more than just display them. You want to take your audience on a journey, evoke emotions, and create a visual story that resonates. That's where Kive steps in as your storytelling companion. Kive isn't your average AI tool. It's a portal to a realm where your visuals become chapters in a mesmerizing narrative. It's about turning moments into stories, ideas into journeys, and images into experiences. Whether you're an aspiring visual storyteller or someone who craves a fresh way to express themselves, Kive is your creative canvas. The moment you enter the world of Kive, you'll realize it's more than just a tool, it's an experience. It's like having a cinematographer's vision, a novelist's prose, and an artist's touch all rolled into one. With Kive, you're not just editing, you're crafting stories that linger in the minds of your audience. 7. Photoleap, where words paint vivid pictures. Picture this. You have a concept, a story, or a description that's bursting with creativity, but you want to take it a step further. You want to see your words come alive as stunning visuals. That's where text-to-image by Photoleap emerges as your artistic wizardry. Text-to-image by Photoleap isn't just an AI tool, it's a bridge between imagination and reality. It's about turning your textual concepts into vibrant, eye-catching images that demand attention. Whether you're a content creator, a storyteller, or a marketer, text-to-image by Photoleap is your conduit to captivating visuals. As you step into the world of text-to-image by Photoleap, you'll realize that it's not just about conversion, it's about creation. It's like having a magical illustrator at your service, ready to illustrate your thoughts and ideas with a flourish. With this tool, you're not just writing, you're painting with words. 8. Dreamup, where dreams transcend reality. Picture this. You have an idea, a concept, or a mental image that's otherworldly, something that exists only in the realm of dreams. But what if you could bring that dream to life in the form of a stunning visual? That's where Dreamup steps into the spotlight, ready to help your imagination take flight. Dreamup isn't just an AI tool, it's a portal to a universe where the fantastical becomes tangible. It's about turning your creative reveries into breathtaking landscapes, dreamy scenarios, and surreal scenes. Whether you're an artist, a digital creator, or someone who craves a dose of magic in their visuals, Dreamup is your gateway. 9. Stability.ai. In the thrilling world of artificial intelligence, one name shines brighter than the rest: Stability.ai. Founded in 2020 by the remarkable Imad Mostaq, a former Google AI researcher, this company has a lofty mission: to democratize access to AI and build the foundation to activate humanity's potential. Their flagship creation, the Stable Diffusion model, is a text-to-image wonder that transforms words into astonishingly realistic images. Released to the public in August 2022, it's become the darling of AI image generation models, captivating users worldwide. But the excitement doesn't end there. Stability.ai is also crafting other open-source AI marvels, like Stable Audio for text-to-audio magic and Stable Code for code generation wizardry. Their ambitions stretch to new AI models for video generation, 3D content creation, and biotech. 10. Reto Magic AI, resurrecting memories, unleashing artistry. Imagine this. You have a vintage photo, a piece of your history, but time has taken its toll, fading colors and blurring details. What if you could restore it to its former glory? That's where Reto Magic AI steps in as your digital time traveler, ready to revive your visual treasures. Reto Magic AI isn't just an AI tool, it's a guardian of memories and a catalyst for creativity. It's about preserving the past while infusing it with a touch of modern magic. Whether you're an archivist, a family historian, or an artist looking for inspiration, Reto Magic AI is your bridge between the past and the future. Conclusion: ignite your creative spark with AI wonder. As we draw the curtains on this exhilarating journey through the world of AI-powered visual marvels, One thing is abundantly clear: the future of creativity has never been brighter. We've embarked on a thrilling adventure, exploring 10 extraordinary AI tools, each a gateway to uncharted realms of imagination and artistry. But our adventure doesn't end here, it's only just begun. These AI tools are your companions on a never-ending journey of creativity and innovation. With their power at your fingertips, you have the ability to breathe life into your images, tell stories that captivate, and revive memories that warm the heart. So don't let the excitement end here. Explore, experiment, and let your creativity run wild with these AI wonders. The links to these extraordinary tools are waiting for you in the description below, ready to unleash your artistic potential.